Order, honorable members, order.
Let them, they can do that, Speaker.
Order, honorable members.
I am not here on the EFF tickets. The seat of the chairperson is bullied by the EFF.
Honorable member.
To them. I will not.
Honorable member.
I would like.
Honorable member, please take your seat.
You are controlled
Please
by these
take
people.
your seat. There is a point of order. Honorable member, please continue. Yes.
Thank you, Chairperson. You correctly ruled that she must withdraw. So she must follow your order. She must follow the rule. I can understand.
Thank you. Honorable member.
You know, earlier when we were speaking here, there were people who were singing "Pay Back the Money." So I was reminded that sages say that, you know, imitation is the most sincere but artless form of flattery. So we are flattered by, as the EFF, by those that learn from us in terms of how we demand accountability from those that are found to be doing wrong things. But the Democratic Alliance and a faction in the ANC are barking at the wrong tree. And you know what normally barks, so we'll not entertain the barking.
At least, Honourable Chair, South Africa now knows that the leader of the EFF is nothing else than a Mickey Mouse commander-in-chief. Chair, this is the National Assembly. According to the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, there is only one commander-in-chief in this House, and that is the Honourable President of the Republic of South Africa. No one else can be a commander-in-chief.